Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick overview of my 2013 Scrambler 850. I've got a few mods to it. Got a ported head, custom exhaust pipe built by myself and a buddy. The primary tubes are 1.5 inches. It's all stainless steel. Back here, it all goes to 2¼ inch pipe. I do have a auto-tune setup on this, so, and I'm in progress getting that tuned. Got a flex pipe here and a V-band clamp so I can disassemble. This is all built by myself and a friend. TIG welding's okay. I'm not a professional at it by any means, but no leaks, it works, looks pretty good. What we did is we took a KTM, I believe it was off a 450 or something. We gutted it out, made our own insert, same size 2¼ outlet. It sounds pretty good. Changed the tone quite a bit. Try to keep it full size as much as possible to keep it somewhat quiet, but it didn't work that well. It's pretty loud. Also got some twisted engineering bars on it. It's like the medium flex. A lot of guys run these on dirt bikes, but I figured I'd try it on this Scrambler. I got a lot of shoulder problems and stuff like that, so I think it'll help quite a bit. I moved the gauge pod up onto the front of the four-wheeler, made some brackets. Use like the push pins that you can use, come with on all these four-wheelers. But when you sit on it, you can just see the gauge pod. I didn't care for it on the handlebars. Kind of looks goofy standing out there doing nothing. So kind of try to make it blend in a little bit on this front storage piece. The only mod, like I said, to the motor is right now is it's got a ported head that's done by a friend of mine. Does a lot of porting, builds pipes and all that stuff. Does a nice job. Main reason why we took the motor apart is these 2013s have a all you guys that own these things know probably these things have a timing gear on the crank that is not pin welded or anything, so they're known to slip. And before it happened to mine, I figured I'd take it apart and fix it, so we fuse welded it, put it back in instead of buying a whole new crank, which is $800-900. So suspension stock, getting ready to send some shocks out, I think. Tires are Maxxis Bighorns, stock size. So bike runs good. Got a cvtech clutch on it, primary. Now that I got some port work done, changed it a little bit. I think it runs a little bit more on the high end, so I got to do some clutching. But I'll start it up, let you guys hear it. See if I can set you up here. Not very Don't have a really good place to set this. This is on my phone, so sorry for the moving around so much. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. It's about as good as I can get it. I'll give it a start. Like I said, it changed the exhaust tone quite a bit with this setup. It's got a real deep tone to it. Sounds really good. Maybe a little bit loud. I might draw some attention to myself. But I may try to quiet it down a little bit without restricting the flow, because I want to take advantage of the porting as much as possible. But I figured I'd just, my first video, I'll just see if you guys got any questions. I got more to come, probably. Slowly working on this, so let me know what you guys think, and we'll see if we make another video. Thanks.